In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity documents without citation links. If you've ever generated a great answer in Perplexity, but the download includes citation links or a references section you don't need, this quick workflow will help you produce a clean, polished PDF. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Perplexity website. Once you're on the main page, you'll see the familiar chat interface. Click directly into the prompt area at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll give Perplexity clear instructions about how you want the content formatted. Type the following prompt exactly. Repeat the last response but without a citation. This tells Perplexity to regenerate the most recent answer it gave you, only this time it should exclude inline citation markers, footnotes, or source link callouts. The goal is to keep the content the same while removing the citation elements that usually appear as bracketed numbers or link icons. Go ahead and submit that prompt. Perplexity will rerun the answer and display a new version. Take a moment to review the text on the screen. You're looking for a clean response without those numbered citation tags, superscripts, or a references section at the end. If you still see any remnants, you can run the same instruction again until the on-screen version looks the way you want. When the content looks clean, find the download icon on the answer panel. It typically appears near the top of the result. Click that icon to open your export options. Choose PDF from the list. PDF is a reliable choice because it preserves layout and is easy to share. Open the downloaded PDF and review it carefully. Scan the body text for brackets like 1, 2, or any hyperlink style citation markers, and check the bottom for a references or sources section. If everything looks citation free, you're done. You now have a polished document ready for sharing, printing, or archiving. If you spot any leftover citations, return to the Perplexity tab, repeat the instruction to remove citations, regenerate the answer, and download the PDF again. That's all there is to it. Visit Perplexity, enter the prompt to repeat the last response without a citation, submit, download using the PDF option, and verify the final file. With this simple process, you can quickly create clean PDFs that focus on the content you want, without extra links cluttering the page. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.